What's up, guys? I know it's been a long time since you've seen me. I've had so many life changes since the last time I made a video. So first of all, I made a couple of videos that apparently had some copyright material in them. I went to a Taylor Swift concert and I vlogged the entire thing, and then I posted a video on YouTube, and I don't know if you guys got a chance to watch it, but then for some reason there was a violation, so they took it down. So that's why I haven't really been vlogging that much, just because it's been a few minutes. Other than that, I'm back and I'm really excited to start making videos again. I have a really cute video for you guys today. In this month that I haven't been on YouTube, I moved back up to Murfreesboro because school started, so I'm now a sophomore at MTSU. I wanted to show you guys where I lived because I know last year I lived in a dorm, so it was a little bit different, but now I live in a house with 3 other girls. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the house and a little bit of my room. I'm really excited to show you guys where I live, and let's get started. When you first walk in, the first thing you see to the left is the stairs, and then this is just a closet that has a bunch of random stuff in it. And then right here is our pantry. So after the pantry is our kitchen table. We have a nice window of the outside. So then we move right into the kitchen. So I'm gonna start in the bathroom because why not? This is my shower curtain. It's really gold and polka dot, and I really like it because it kind of goes with the theme of like my room, because my room's like pink and gold. Just kind of decorated it with these flowers. So there's a trash can, and then that's actually where I put my dirty clothes once I'm done with them. Up here I just have like some Smell Good lotions, and then my toothbrush, and then I always keep a candle, lotion, stuff like that, some cute flowers. The first drawer is actually like my bath bomb / facial masks drawer. It's what I use a lot. Second drawer just kind of has like toothpaste, hairbrush, deodorant, stuff like that. And then my third drawer is just my makeup. Under here I just have a bunch of cleaning supplies, my towels, and all the stuff I use to do my hair, and some of my jewelry. Going into my room, I have this really cool window because I'm like facing the back of the house. So these are the other houses around me, and then I can always look to see if my car's still there, which it is. So I have my futon, and then usually it's a little bit more neat than that. I just kind of have like my backpack and all of my school stuff sitting there. And then up here we have kind of like cute little decorations that my mom put on the wall. Of course, obviously I have my pink stringy lights in here. Moving over here, I have my kitchen station. I have a microwave and all of the stuff that I use to make coffee, and of course my fridge again. Popping it off, I have this cute white rug, and then it leads to my desk, which is right next to the bathroom. So on my desk I just kind of have like my Bible, books for school, and everyday needs. And then here's my mirror. Hey. So right in front of my bed I have my dresser, which has just a bunch of clothes in it, and my TV and my DVD player, and another mirror. Right here is just extra storage. I have a bunch of paper towels in there, and then just like a bunch of extra storage things that I need. My printer paper, and then just my side table. Going into my closet, I actually have a good sized closet. I have all my shoes up at the top. This is all my summer, this is all my winter, and then just more storage. And that is a bear, that Dylan one for me. It's actually a German Shepherd. Shoes over here. This is a bunch of like summer towels, water, laundry detergent. That's more clothes. Gabby's dog food, and then just like shoes and jeans and more shoes. Thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was really short and sweet, but I'm trying to start to get back in the swing of things of making YouTube videos, and it's kind of a little bit more challenging when I'm in college now and it's not just summer and I have really nothing to do other than work. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.